Welcome guys back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be learning basic Swahili words, and the topic of today will be personal pronouns, the first, second and third persons. We had already seen this if you have watched the previous videos that I had done. We basically used words like I, which translates to me, to mimi in Swahili, and we, sisi. So we'll be covering some of them and we'll add on top of them for the second and third persons. Okay, so let's get started with the first person pronouns. The first example is in the singular form I. I in Swahili is mimi. Okay, mimi. Then the second word in Swahili, when now we are many, but we are the first person, okay, perspective. So we, this is in plural, in Swahili it becomes sisi, okay, sisi. Let's try it out in some examples. Okay, so I am Kenyan. Okay, so let's convert this. So now this is the first person speaking. I will become now me. Will become me, and then Kenyan will become Kenya. Okay, don't worry about the other words. Nim, Kenya, we'll cover them later, but I want you to have the main emphasis on I becomes mimi. Okay, that's how you'd put it in a sentence. And now when now the people speaking are many, we can say we, for example, we are Kenyans. Now there is not one but many. Now this in plural form in Swahili will become it's converted to, changes into sisi. R will be ni, then Kenyans will become wa Kenya. Okay, so focus mostly on the personal pronouns. I, we, they change to mimi and sisi. Then ni sisi ni wa Kenya. Okay, so that is the first person pronouns. Let us jump onto the next second person pronouns. Second personal pronouns. Okay, so let's start. So in second personal pronouns in English, we just like have one word. I think it's you. It's only you. And you in Swahili has two forms, and this is because of the plural and the singular forms. So you is converted when it is one person, you say wewe. Okay, this is in singular form. Okay, but now when you are referring to the second person but they are many, it's not just one. You will now be in plural in Swahili, but it will not be wewe, it will be ni. Okay, so this is in plural form. Okay, so you, wewe in singular form, it is one person, one person in the second person pronoun perspective. Then you, nyinyi in the plural form for the second person, for the people in the second person perspective. Okay, so let's take an example. For example, we can say in English, you are Kenyans. Let's just basically use this one example form so that it can be easier to follow through and understand. You are, let me just, sorry for that, you are. Let me just use the singular form, then the plural form. I'll show you later. You are Kenyan. Okay, you are Kenyan. This you are talking about one person in the second persona. Okay, the second personal perspective. So you are Kenyan is in singular form. Convert it to Swahili. Now it will be wewe ni Mkenya. Okay, it's basically like the first example, but now you change the personal pronoun to wewe in now the second person perspective. Okay, let's look at now when they are many. Okay, you are Kenyans. Okay, that is the second person pronoun, but now you're referring to many people, not just one. So this will convert to ni wa Kenya. Okay, so how to pronounce these words? Wewe, nyinyi, how do you go about it? I told you a secret hack. You just go like the first segment, you pronounce it like we, then you go to the second segment we, then you combine that pronunciation wewe. Okay, wewe. Try this one, ni, you say it like ni, then this other part ni, then you combine the whole of that pronunciation nyinyi. And for every other word in Swahili you do the same. Okay, wa Kenya, Kenya. Get it? Okay, so that is the second person pronoun. Let us jump onto the third personal pronouns. Okay, third, and remember guys, if you have a question you can always like write down in the comment section. I'll be happily obliged to reply. Third personal pronouns. Okay, so in the third personal pronouns, also in the third personal pronouns in English we have so many words. We have he, she, it, they, them, him, her. But in Swahili the load has been like reduced. There are only like 2 words in Swahili, and let's take an example and let's take a look at them. There are only just 2 words for the third personal pronouns in Swahili. So when you're basically referring to he, okay, he has a car, or she has a car, in Swahili it will just be one word for both of them that you could use, and that will be ye. Now for example, you are saying he has a car, you will say ye ... Okay, now she has a car, you will say ye ... etc. Okay, so there is no like the male version of the Swahili word for he or she. It is just one word, ye, and that is in singular form. So this, let me put it in brackets, this is in singular form. Okay, now what about when they are many? Now you won't say he or she, you will say they. For example, there is a man and a woman, both of them are buying a car. They are buying cars. Okay, they are buying a car. They has, now guys, they, now you are referring to the third person perspective. You're talking about the third person. You are referring to the third persona. Okay, to they are in the third person perspective. I hope I've explained well. So they in Swahili is just one word, wow. Wa or wow. Doesn't matter they are female, they are male, or they are mixed, as long as they are more than one, that is 2, 3, etc. You just say wa or. This is in the plural form. Plural form. Okay? Wa or. Wa or. Wa or. Okay? Then you combine that whole pronunciation. Wow. 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 Okay? Let's see an example. Let's see example 1 in the singular form. Let's say she is Kenyan. This in Swahili, remember she or he, whatever the word is, just one word, which is ye. You pronounce it bit by bit, combine the whole pronunciation. Ye. Okay? Yeye ni Mkenya. Yeye ni Mkenya. Yeye ni Mkenya. Okay, now that is the third person in singular form. Now let's look in plural. In plural form, the third person, they, doesn't matter how many, doesn't matter who they are, their gender, it's just they. In Swahili, just one word. They are Kenyans. Now they are many. They are Kenyans. It is just replaced by one word, and that word is wa or. Okay, wa or, and then wow. Okay, wow ni wa Kenya. Okay, just that, guys. Wow ni wa Kenya. Now you have spoken about the third persona in plural, and that's it. And I think you should have noticed by now is that is and are, they are in Swahili is just one word for them, and it is ni. Okay, so she is Kenyan, yeye ni Mkenya, they are Kenyans, wao ni wa Kenya. Is are, it's just the same word in Swahili, which is ni. That's it, guys, for this lesson. We've learned the personal pronouns, and please like, please subscribe, please comment down. If you have any questions, I'll feel free to answer them. And please, you can watch the full video or the other videos that I've done before. Just check them out at Swahili Mastery.